you want to make an airdrop, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to use Solana Airdrop Tool, or Smithii Multisender as you want to call it, to make an airdrop without coding in just 1 minute and almost for free. Solana Multisender is a no-code tool that allows you to upload a list of wallets, set the token you want to airdrop, set the quantity per wallet, and make an airdrop without coding. You won't have any error because it has a verifier that ensures that every single wallet you set receives the token you want to airdrop. Let's go directly to the process on how to use it and how to make the most of it and make your airdrop in just a few seconds. For making an airdrop, we just need to go to tools.smithii.io. You will have the link in the description and click on Token Multisender. As you can see, it's really simple. You just need to select the token address, select the quantity per wallet, and upload the list of wallets. You can add them manually or upload a CSV. If you need to get the list of holders from any collection, you can also take a snapshot from NFT holders or token holders, okay? You will have the links for those tools in the description too, but you have them in here. You just need to select a token and you will get the whole list of wallets that are holding any token or any NFT collection in Solana you wanna make an airdrop to. So once you have the list of wallets, after doing the snapshot, you will take a CSV that you can download and then upload directly here. It is what I'm doing now. Here you have it. I'm uploading 200 wallets. You can upload up to 1000 wallets. So if you are airdropping to more people, you just need to divide the CSV into different parts so you can airdrop them step by step as you need it. So then we need to select the token address. Perfect, in here. We will be doing an airdrop to bond holders and WIF holders from Lab, the professor token, which is our partner on Smithii, okay? Is this token in here, and we will send 100 tokens per wallet. So once we have everything ready, here we can see the amount of tokens we are sending in the airdrop, the amount of wallets that will receive the token, and the total fees. Take on account that there is a fee in Solana, which is 0.002 SOL per transaction. When I send a token to another wallet that doesn't hold my token, we need to create a token account and we need to pay a fee which is 0.002. So in these fees, we take on account those fees, those Solana transaction fees, and our fees on Smithii, which is 0.001 per wallet. It's actually the cheapest option that you can use to make an airdrop in Solana. Okay, so now that we have everything ready, we verify the wallets, we verify everything, we just need to click on Start Airdrop and it will open a transaction. Here we have it. We just need to click on Approve and we will be sending our tokens to the amount of wallets we set. As you can see here, we sent the tokens to almost every wallet we wanted to make the airdrop to. We got 16 wallets left. So they are shown right now in the preview and we just need to click on Start Airdrop. Would be like making a retry and finishing the airdrop for this wallet that the transaction failed, and we can finish the process properly. Now we have our airdrop finished. As you can see, airdrop successfully. You can go to any of the wallets you made airdrop to and you will see that they have received their tokens. As you should know, airdrops are a really useful tool for marketing on token and NFT projects. Okay, you can airdrop your token to famous collection, to famous token holders, and you can make too much noise, reach more people, and make a good promotion. For sure, airdrops are used for marketing, and if you make a good strategy and you get useful output from doing it, it will be really worth it. Even you can see it as giving free money to people. It's important that you make this properly to don't overspend money. But yeah, it's really useful tool for making marketing and promoting your token in the market. So as you can see, Solana Multisender from Smithii makes the life much easier for making your airdrop. If you don't want to spend too much money on make these transactions because you are airdropping for too much people or whatever you want, you can also create a claim site. Okay, within the next few weeks, I will be doing a video on how to create your own claim site from Smithii, as we are launching a new tool for making your claim site. It means that instead of sending your token to 1000 wallets or 100 wallets and spending a fee per transaction, you can create a claim site and make all those people that you want to airdrop to, add them into a whitelist, and so they can claim on your claim site. So they can go to my claim site, I share the link, and they can come and claim my tokens for free. In this case, they will need to pay the transaction fees, but they will only pay one transaction fee, which is almost nothing. So it will be worth it for them, and you won't need to spend too much money. It will be only for 0.1 SOL. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.